everyone, welcome to It's Sally Mention channel. So today we are going to see one more important topic, that is relationship of homeopathic pharmacy and allopathic pharmacy. I have explained beautifully in a tabular manner. So let's begin. It would be easy for you all to remember this topic very easily. So divided into three columns, that is aspect, allopathy and homeopathy. So let's begin the relationship of both of them. So first, naming allopathy and homeopathy. So I am first going to read the allopathy part, then homeopathy. First, naming. From Greek word allos means dissimilar and pathos means suffering, which is coined by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Homeopathy from Greek words homeos means similar and pathos means suffering, which is coined by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. So very important note that both the term allopathy and homeopathy is coined by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Now next is origin. Allopathy, the roots in ancient medicine of Greece, popularized in 19th century Europe and USA, whereas homeopathy it is founded purely by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann in Germany 1796. Therapeutic approach in allopathy, it is materialistic concept, that is it targets the bacteria and parasites, treats results of disease, used material doses, focuses on local symptoms, that is it is organ specific, whereas homeopathy it is on dynamic concept, it treats deranged vital force to restore to health, focuses on the whole person. Now next is question number fifth point is nomenclature of drugs. In allopathy it uses Latin Greek terms, trade names commonly used. In homeopathy uses Latin and Greek terms, non-proprietary name referred. 6 point, identification of drugs. In allopathy, it relies on botany, zoology, chemistry of identification. In homeopathy also, similar approach is seen, uses allied sciences. 7th point is collection of drugs. In allopathy and homeopathy, both of them shares a similar same process and time, but there are some few exceptions. 8th point, combining drugs. In allopathy, guided by fixed principles, choice of vehicle, ratio and duration vary, whereas in homeopathy, follows a standard methods. Different ratios and principles are applied. 9th point, compounding. In allopathy, compounding is allowed and commonly done by employees of physician. In homeopathy, compounding is against homeopathic principles. So compounding is not followed. Generally, it is not done. 10th point is preparation. In allopathy, it includes unique methods like decoction, granulations, fusion, scaling, etc. Whereas in homeopathy, we use processes like potentization, trituration, which is not found in allopathy. 11th point is dosage and posology. In allopathy, large doses tested in vitro, in vivo, on animals, sick persons, work on physiological mechanism. Whereas homeopathy uses infinitesimal doses in potentized form, it is based on totality of symptoms picture. 12th point is dispensing of medicines. In allopathy, available in tablets, syrups, capsules, suppositories, etc. in large doses. Whereas in homeopathy, dispensed in sugar of milk, globules, purified water. Patient not allowed to purchase the dilutions. 13th point, that is administration of medicine. In allopathy, mostly injections, external application, ointments and creams are used, whereas in homeopathy, it is primarily a oral route in form of globules, pills, powder. External application is not preferred in homeopathy for the first choice. In 14th point, that is preservation. It requires an elaborate preservation like refrigerator. Homeopathic medicines should not be refrigerated, stored in neutral glass, velvet cork, highly heat resistant. 15th point, that is new drug development. Any company can develop and market allopathic drugs which is guided by physician. In homeopathy, it must be tested on healthy humans. It is only verified by HPL. Last point is 16 point conceptual elegance or elegance. Focused on fragmented view of disease, not holistic. Whereas homeopathy it is empirical, nature based, treats patients as a whole. So here we have completed this topic. Hope so you have understood this topic. I'm just putting some of the video 1 2 seconds to make a screenshot or make a notes, a full tabular form picture here. So that's it. Hope so you have understood this topic. Thank you for watching.